Hi, welcome to my channel, Leah Dunkley Hair, and we're going to be discussing all things hair and beauty with the main focus being wigs. And what I want to show you now is how to cut this lace off. Alright, so all you really need is a pair of scissors, a decent pair. I've got these, I've had them for a while. I think they're about £8 or £9. I have seen some people use these scissors, a curved, and they just give you a sort of closer cut, but I'll show you. So if I'm just going to bring the camera in closer onto the wig so you can see me cutting it. Okay, so what I normally do is, there's the front, is I normally cut the middle of it, okay? And take your time. So we're going to cut upwards. And just as close as you can. Even if you want to leave a gap and then you can go back in, what you don't want to do is get rid of these strands of hairs. You don't want to cut them off because you've just taken time plucking those. So if you can see as close as you can, you're just going to cut around the hair like that. I put a bit of spray on these and sort of comb them back, but you will get flyaways on there. That can't be helped. If you've got a dark rooted wig, it will make it easier. I'll bring that closer again so I can see, because you'll be able to see it stand out. So you want to just cut it all the way around. Try not to cut any hairs off. But if you do, it's not the end of the world. Just take your time with it. As I say, some people do use these scissors as well. Edge. You can get a closer cut with these. There you go. You just want it as close to the hairline as possible. You can go in later on and take little bits out. All the way around. There you go. There you go. And that's what it looks like. It's just really, really, really thin. Alright, so that's one piece done. I'm going to cut this section off. Nice trim all the way around. As close to the hairline as possible. A zigzag motion is better rather than just a straight cut along. If you look at your own hairline, there's not just a straight line across. You do have wispy hairs, so you're trying to create that on your wigs as well, all the way around. Some people do this while they're wearing it. I try not to. I try to cut it off my head or on the wig stand, and that's the easiest. And you can go back round, look, and take little bits off. It's better to do it that way than to cut a big chunk of it out. There you go. That's quite nice and tidy. And it's that simple. That's how you cut the lace off. So I hope that was helpful, guys. If it was, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for some more videos. If you're interested in this cork wig stand, I'll let you know where I got it from. And the reason it's covered in plastic is it's cork and canvas over. So in time, if you keep getting it wet with things like mousses and gels and water, it's going to get mouldy. So I'll show you how to protect it and keep it safe, and hopefully I have it for longer. So I'll create another video on that as well, and I'll put some details of all of the stuff that I've used today, you know, in terms of brushes, combs, mousses, gels, etc. So Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.